Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to back up your iPhone to your Mac. First you need to connect them both with a cable. So in my case I'm using a Lightning to USB-C cable, but it can be any other one that will fit both your devices. And when they are connected on your iPhone you should get a prompt to allow to connect to your computer, and you should click on allow and you may need to enter your password. In my case it wasn't necessary because I've already connected this iPhone to the Mac before. And when that's done you can go to Finder on your Mac, and in Finder you should see your iPhone in Locations. Now it will open this window. And to back up your iPhone to your Mac, under Backups, make sure that backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac is checked. If you are changing this, then after changing, click on Apply down here, then click on Backup Now. You can also encrypt the local backup if you want, but I'm gonna just click on Backup Now. And now it will start backing up my iPhone. Now I need to enter the passcode. And now my backup is done. In my case it took about 4 minutes. It just depends on how much data do you have on your phone. And when it's backed up, then whenever you'll need to restore your backup, you will be able to do it by connecting your phone with your Mac, then going to your iPhone in Finder like we did to back it up. And now you will be able to click on Restore Backup, or you can also click on Manage Backups to find the backups that you have done, and you can also delete them if you need to by just clicking on the backup you want to delete, then click on Delete Backup. And that's everything about backing up your iPhone to your Mac. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.